Okay, time to start. Oh yeah, I will also just swap keyboard right now. Okay, I've actually created a, a Discord bot to automatically post about streams on Discord. Okay, it's working properly. That's perfect. Okay, yeah. The chat message is also working. Hey, hello, a person. Welcome. Yeah, I guess when I'm drawing alone, I would
I
use
don't
music a lot.
understand how you can draw without music, lol.
But I guess like when I'm streaming, I I just don't really want like I find music kind of distracting when I'm streaming. I guess it's because I'm also talking. So so like if I put on music there's just too much going on. But yeah, like I usually also put on like music whenever I do stuff. And I guess it's also a personal preference when it comes to watching streams. Because I prefer to watch streams that have no background music and it's where it's just the person talking. Oh, hello, Onigiri Bite. Oh, I should also check if. Okay, yeah. The bot is logging messages properly. So
Ah, I see.
that's great. I guess I do. I am able to log in when there is no music.
Or does this just feel like
No, actually it feels quite easy when I'm streaming. But when I'm alone, it's it's a different story, I will say. Oh, hello, Geb. Okay, so I'm actually pretty happy with the bot.
hand pink
It's
waving?
it's logging all the messages properly. Now all I need is I guess a weirdo to show up so that I can try out banning. Because yeah, I have also hey, hello Wolfpack. So I've also like implemented a banning like a quick banning button
Hello?
in my chat. So like I can just ban people with one click now. I don't even need to open anything. I can just directly ban people super quickly. So oh no, I'm not gonna ban you. I'm gonna ban someone who deserves it. Like if some weirdos show up today, I'm just gonna ban them real quick.
I can get banned if you want.
I mean, sure, I will do that. I will just quickly unban you afterward. Okay, I'm banning a person.
That sounds pretty cool.
Alright, I just banned a person. You can try sending a message, but it's not gonna appear in the chat. Oh, thanks, Wolfpack. Yeah, this channel is also kind of inspiring me to... I guess it keeps me disciplined. Because without this channel, I think I would be a lot less dedicated, I guess. Yeah, like when I don't stream, I'm actually quite lazy. Okay, I'm gonna unban a person. I think it's been... Hold on. Okay, I just unbanned a person. I think we can talk again. Yeah, very nice. Oh, but yeah, thank you,
Her
Wolfpack.
dedication is much appreciated.
Yeah, like before I started this channel, I was having trouble, a lot of trouble with practice. Like I could barely draw for 20 minutes at a time.
Well,
But I think now I've gotten to a point where, like, even 2 hours isn't that big of a problem. Yeah, like banning was very difficult before because I had to like manually open the video like in my browser to like ban the person. But now I can just directly ban people in the chat. And like right now there is just like a hammer besides each message. So like it only takes me literally just 1 second to ban someone. So I guess now it's a lot easier. Yeah, I've also improved my streamer bot along with working. Yeah, I can have onigiri as a mod.
why not have Onigiri as a mod?
I just use a Python. Although the streamer bot is in C#. But yeah, the Discord bot is just in Python. But like one of my biggest concern is since the user can just write, since the bot is essentially just going to copy whatever text, whatever message the user sends in the chat and send it over to Discord, I was worried about like code execution and like, or just people mentioning everyone using the bot. So like I've also put up like safety checks for that kind of stuff. So like hopefully people won't be able to mention everyone or do something malicious. using the chat. But yeah, like, I think the whole point of like programming is so that you can do more with less. And I would like to avoid like bothering real people for stuff that like a bot can do. But yeah, I think if I get more viewers than I can handle, I'm just gonna like make people mod. And like I don't even have that much expectation for moderators. I guess like just anyone who watches my streams regularly and who don't seem malicious would
Asterisk
make a
test
good mod.
asterisk.
So yeah, I guess onigiri would be like one of my first mod candidate. I feel like he has been here for a very long, for quite some time now. But I guess it's also that now banning people is so convenient. I think until like the chat just gets flooded with hundreds of message every second, I don't think I will even I don't think I would even really need like someone else's help. But yeah, I guess the goal is to spend more time drawing and to spend less time on logistics, like moderating the chat and other stuff. Like that's the ultimate goal with all of this, like with creating bots or like getting moderators. But also I was wondering whether it's a good idea to have like a log of every message on Discord. Like right now I think it's a good thing to like log every message and to have a dedicated channel where a bot just logs all the messages. Because I think it's generally just pretty hard to find a specific message. Like if you want to find a specific message, you would have to go back to like, yeah, you would have to spend a lot of time like going through older streams. But I guess when it's already in a channel, it's just a lot faster to find stuff you want. And I guess it also helps me with like moderation. like I can always just go back and ban people retroactively. With a chat log. Oh yeah, I think it's a bad look to have it to have lines here. But yeah, like I've also wanted to make a bot pretty much since I started using Discord. I remember back then I thought that people who were able to program and making bots were so cool. Yeah, back then I thought that being able to program and make your own bot is is just the greatest thing ever. And it is. At least online. Like on the internet, if you know how to program, you are literally like a wizard. And I guess that's also like a concept I thought about for my character. Like my character is just an internet witch. Oh, hello, Zerathos. Like my character has zero power in real life, but on the internet, she is
Yep.
she is just able to do anything with ease. Like that's the setting I've given to my character. And I think it's also so maybe a good practice to not like spend too much time on lines, because I have actually erased quite quite a lot of lines on my drawing so far. So, but also something I've thought about for moderators is that maybe I don't need to like I don't need to give mods like the actual moderator role. I just I just need to give them permission to use my bot. And my bot is going to be the one who does the banning and all that stuff. So I think maybe this way it's gonna be safer. I guess I've just had a lot of experience with like the dangers of like giving people mod or like privileged roles online. So I do want to try to minimize the risk. Yeah, exactly. Like I've been removing a lot of the line art.
So you went from sketch linear to remove linear.
I mean, it's very easy.
What are some examples of power misuse you're talking about?
Like, just people banning people they don't like, or just people who get into arguments with the server owner. So these mods just ban everyone in retaliation. Oh, hello, Kitsumitsu.
Rain koi moment.
Because I've also done this before. There was a time when I was like in a server where there was like a rogue mod and he didn't like the server. So like I just got so like yeah, he just added us to a group chat and waited until all the other mods are asleep. And yeah, then he just gave
Oh, I get what you mean now.
Gave all of us mods. So we just proceeded to ban every single person on the server. That kind of stuff. Yeah, like an entire server with hundreds of people can just be destroyed because of like a bad mod. So I guess as someone who had been involved in stuff like that in the past, like I know I guess I am much more familiar with the bad side of things. Like I know exactly what can happen if you don't manage your mods well.
Can't do that with email.
Yeah, exactly. I guess these are like advantages and disadvantages that comes with having like these big groups. Whereas with email, it's basically decentralized. So there isn't Yeah, that's the good part about decentralization. It's that things like that are not really a big deal. Like you can't just really delete a server. But yeah, I guess I have done a lot of things online. Both good and bad. But I guess my goal now is to, now that I'm on like Kitsumitsu. Yeah. I mean, yeah, you can just
Rain
say
Koi,
whatever
is
you
this an
want.
18 plus stream? Can I say boob?
Fat boobs.
Fat boobs.
I don't think so. Gurai is just completely flat, I believe.
Is this drawing getting a plus size alt?
Okay, I think I actually need to adjust the color a little bit. I cannot.
Rain Koi, can you read this Japanese letter?
Yeah, I don't. I guess I don't. But I think I have. I used to know this. But damn, I've forgotten. I've forgotten everything. I have no problem with like kanji though, because they're just the same as Chinese characters. But yeah, the kanas,
Ro Forber.
that 对我会中文 but like I'm not that.
Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese
Oh,
letter.
oh, it just read Chinese letter. Yeah, but like my Chinese not is not that great. That,
Chinese letter, Chinese letter.
oh lord. Oh my god, the TTS for Chinese character is even worse. Oh nice. Okay, I think I would draw the tail for now. But damn, you're a you're much better at Chinese than I expected. Like for someone who's only taken it for 3 years. I've taken Spanish for at least like five 5 years, and I think my Spanish I can barely say anything in Spanish.
A mouth.
Yeah, I guess.
Chinese doesn't have verb inflection, so it's easy af.
Actually, I think I should draw this on a separate layer. Yeah, I have no idea how to like. Oh, you only use 2 layers. Yeah, actually, I'm also like an advocate for using less layers.
I only use 2 layers when
But
drawing
but I
lol.
I think I'm just gonna merge all of them after I'm done. Like I feel like it's still somewhat useful at at this stage at least.
Hi hi.
Oh, hi, rainy days. Yeah, like I guess I just look at reference most of the time. But yeah, like it's hard to come up with ideas for like original stuff. Oh, thank you.
Looking good.
But I think this is how you should use layers. Like to use it for physical objects rather than like a crutch for not being for like to compensate for poor control. Okay. Actually, I don't have a lot of problem with like tails. I feel like maybe it's because of how slimy they are. But like I generally don't have a lot of problem. I guess you just need to make it look kind of shiny. Lol. Yeah, I
Rainkoi
like
likes his girls slimy.
I like this kind of shark tales. Okay. Well, humans do have a
Humans don't
tailbone,
need
though.
tails, they can stand perfectly well.
And I don't know if people without, like, the tailbone are still able to stand well. Oh, damn.
Tailbone is vestigial G. Oh, didn't think about that.
I guess when you have it, you don't notice it. But I've seen people who have broken their tailbone. And I think for these people, sometimes it's difficult to do certain stuff, I believe. So like maybe it's not like completely useless.
The tailbone isn't useless to the current form of humans, but it's not technically a tail.
Yeah, that's true. I guess it's the remnants of like our ancestors' tail. Yeah, I guess tailbone is not like useless. You do need
Oh,
tailbones.
that true. I've seen an old lady fall over in her chair because her tailbone was messed up.
I think tonsils might be totally useless. Like
Mal, maybe.
people just cut their tonsils all the time.
Shaffle might be a robot.
What? Boobs are very useful for like attraction.
A Dalek face orange biting nails.
I mean, like there are animals with like entire, like really colorful
Real
feathers, like birds with really colorful feathers, and like the only goal for them is to really just look attractive.
ra
Tonsils are important.
tonsils are very important.
Yeah, like humans are kind of different from birds. So I don't think it's entirely the same.
I don't think that and birds are the same.
But yeah, like why do some people have big boobs and others have smaller ones? What's the advantage of having big boobs?
Face green smiling.
I guess I have never thought about that. Like what's the point? Yeah, genetics. But yeah, feeding babies is also
On
important.
genetics and feeding babies.
Lol, Kitsumitsu.
They call me babies.
Okay, I think this part I need to use airbrush for this part. Right. Okay. I think something like this, where the color just goes kind of from dark to light. Oh yeah, something else I've noticed is that videos on YouTube have, like, they just generally have very good editing now. So I think to even get views on YouTube, you need to have good editing. I think all the unedited videos, like if you don't want to edit, the only way is to make sure it's. I don't think unedited videos really work nowadays.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, like I think because for my main channel, oh hello Rika. Yeah, like I also enjoy videos where it's just the person talking and like there is nothing else.
Sometime I really enjoy unedited videos.
It's just the person talking. But I feel like these are not the norm. Like big YouTubers are able to do that. Like they can just talk without editing. Yeah, I
I
think
enjoy videos
just
that are so highly edited. Also, cut off screens.
I think just generally I prefer whenever I watch a video I find myself drawn towards videos that do have editing. Like I guess I also like the kind of video where it's just a person talking. Yeah, exactly. B- But but I think for the for the type of like vlogging videos where it's just a person talking to a
SFX
camera,
every 10 seconds.
I think it depends a lot on personality. So like that's kind of a hit and miss. But for highly edited videos, like you don't even need to really like the person to enjoy the video. So like I just feel like edited videos do have do have the advantage. But yeah, like as Onigiris says, like it takes a lot of work. Yeah, like I guess yeah, true rainy days. I think like editing kind of compensates for
But like
for
I
the
think if you
content.
want to do unedited videos, then the content would probably have to have really good content, TBH.
Like I guess mid content paired with good editing results in people watching. But also bad editing with good content also results in views. But like you need to have really good content in today's in this day and age to really have people watching without editing. But yeah, like editing takes a lot of time.
But
So like I just didn't want to edit. So like my channel's videos are mostly just like sped up footage of me drawing. But I think I'm gonna stop doing that. I think I'm gonna post speed paints as shorts from now on and reserve long form videos. And like just for long form videos, I'm just gonna actually edit. Yeah, exactly, Rika. I think people just don't have
I
the
don't
attention
know about
span
ADHD people.
for
They
that kind
might
of
can
stuff.
endure super long, unedited videos.
I don't know what highlights. I I guess the what I see
Choose
the
some
most
highlights.
what I see the most often nowadays is people posting clips, like VTuber clips. But I think these just have to be super short. But yeah, I guess if I want to do that kinds of stuff, I'm gonna have to add some additional commentary. Okay. Damn, this is too bright. I guess some ideas that I have is that like dream when I'm streaming, I'm not actually explaining my thought process. Like I'm just kind of going with the flow.
Yeah, definitely.
But I guess maybe for like long form videos, I'm just gonna explain a lot more about like how I do certain things. Because like I've seen a lot of art tutorials popping up on my recommendation. And I feel like you don't necessarily need to be like an art god to get views. And I guess some of these people get even more views than some of my favorite artists.
Maybe you could do a little voiceover and like cut to funny or silly parts of the stream.
Yeah. Oh, I have never heard of Lavender Town.
Just be like Lavender Town. Her art is mid and her opinions are garbage.
Oh, I guess it's someone who's active on TikTok. Yeah, I guess you do need just really good editing though. But but I have never seen I've never seen her.
Whoop.
Oh damn. I've just never heard of Lavender Tone.
I like Lavender Town loudly crying face.
Yeah. Like I can see that.
She's kind of a hot or miss, to be honest.
Um okay, she's an art review channel. Oh
Every
yeah,
other
I've also
Lavender Town
seen
video is
just
just make your art unique,
a lot
unless
of
I don't
art
like it.
channels where the person don't even draw. Like they just talk about other people's drawings. And they end up getting even more views than the original artist. So so yeah, I think you just need like as for me, I just need to like do better editings. I guess just edit better and also just yeah, also do voiceovers. I think nowadays no one has the attention span for like just pure speed paints.
That's sad.
Yeah, like I guess just a lot of slop channels have taken over.
Yeah, true. It's kind of like Subway Surfers.
Yeah. And also now got I'm now finally able to follow people on TikTok. I guess after using my account for like 2 weeks. Yeah, that's true. I don't think people who are not interested in drawing would watch them. Unless
I
they
feel
are
like people would
super
only
short.
watch speed paints if they were studying art, though.
Like I think if they are like 15 seconds shorts, then people would still watch it. But no one is gonna watch like a 20 minutes speed paint where there is no commentary and there's just music. Like no commentary, only music. That kind of stuff belong to the past. Yeah, I feel like the with these, yeah, it's true that only people who want to learn how to draw are gonna watch these. But with like these really short videos, it's actually not the case because I watch a lot of cooking videos or like people making clothes. I mean, cooking. I'm actually interested in cooking. So, but
Oh,
like
probably.
I
But I
also
watched
watch
some of your stuff, though.
people making dolls or people making clothes. Like I never do this kind of stuff, but I do watch shorts about it because like shorts are kind of just made in a way that's interesting. Yeah, like there are just a lot of stuff that I'm not interested in, but I would watch shorts about them. So, yeah. Yeah, woodworking, all that stuff. Yeah, like I don't know why, but I like
Yeah, why
watching
do I
doll
watch
making
those
videos so
woodworking
much.
videos?
And like recently I also got recommended a lot of like cosplay videos. And I've just never watched that stuff before. Yeah, exactly.
I have to see how the block of wood turns into a spoon.
Cosplay interviews.
I keep on getting complaints, interviews.
Oh, really? The chat log? You mean like the Discord chat log?
OMG, the chat log is giving me creeps, honestly.
Mm, I think one solution is to make it verified only. So like only people who are verified
Yeah,
are gonna be able to. Yeah, I have a Discord. Yeah, Discord server. I think maybe I need to just put it in a more prominent place.
you have a Discord.
Yeah, it's in the description.
Uh,
Yeah, Rika, I think one solution
But
could be to make the chat log verified only. I think maybe that would be better than just having everyone seeing it. Maybe that would be a bit less creepy, I guess, than just having everyone see the chat.
die a new member.
Oh yeah, also maybe I need to like put the server in a more prominent place. I think maybe just a lot of people don't even know that the server exists. But yeah, that's true.
What's the verified role?
I guess anyone who just takes a look. Yeah, welcome rainy days. I think anyone who takes a look at the introduction channel is gonna know. But I think maybe I'm gonna
But
put it in like welcome or something like that. Like how to get verified. Or maybe it's better to just keep it like this. Oh damn, the tail is looking great. So I think the swimsuit is next.
oh,
Oh wait, it actually worked. Yeah, Onigiri, your message just now actually worked. Damn, that's really smart. I think I just need to to make a function that actually sanitizes all this stuff properly.
whoa, phone just lagged. Yeah, one of them did.
Yeah, and I guess with this, it's not maybe it's not too difficult to mention everyone Like I think it would only take like 3 backticks to just be able to say whatever you want. But I think a quick fix for it.
Welcome, Rainy. Whatever I want.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. But yeah, I fixed it just now. Like that was very quick.
Whatever I want.
Yeah, I fixed the bug just now. So that's great. But yeah, thank you for testing this out.
What was that, Oni?
Yeah, that's true. I should add server rules. I think something I want to add first, I guess these two.
Probably in the future you should add server rules.
I guess maybe I should make stuff more prominent right now. Oh, thank you. I think maybe I will just need to
IT looks so good, KSJ Soons.
pin the Discord link somewhere so that more people know that it exists. Okay, like this. Wait, actually, it's not. It's not right. Should be like somewhere over here. Yeah, like as maybe on the. Yeah,
You
that's a
should
good
have
idea.
it in the
Rainy
corner of
days
the stream or something.
on the top corner. Yeah, maybe I will just have a chat box
Yeah,
on the right, and I will just have like my socials on there. Yeah, I guess in that case I would need to create
yeah.
my own layout. Or maybe I can just find one somewhere. But I would like to make one myself. Yeah, for sure.
I'm
Alright,
probably gonna post some of
alright, see
my
you,
old
Rika.
art on the Discord so I can motivate myself to draw. Be prepared for trash.
Oh, damn. Oh no, that sucks.
Still drink TT.
Okay, I think that's good. At least for now. So I guess I would just do the details now. And honestly, I think it's not really a big deal if the color go outside the lines. Because I think no one actually notices these things. Oh no. Damn. Yeah.
I remember the first time I actually colored Tiny Good was when I just layer many flat colors over each other.
Yeah, like I used to just render in a really flat way.
Yeah, true.
Like I would fill the base layer with one color and then do the shadow with another. There was no gradient or like blending. And so it just looked really like sometime it looks great, but like other times it just don't look that good. I think blending still feels like one of the best way to draw. Like I like to use few layers, but with I guess a lot of colors. Yeah, like I used to use so many layers.
Oh, that reminds me of my zero other failed attempts.
But now I actually try to like keep my layer count to a minimum. To a minimum, I guess. Oh, nice. Yeah, grayscale is pretty much
I'm pretty
half.
good at grayscale, though.
Yeah, grayscale is pretty much half of coloring. Like if you're good at grayscale, you're already halfway there. Like I've also done quite a bit of grayscale practice, and I feel like it's actually kind of easy to transition from just grayscale to
Oh, nice
drawing
to
with
know.
color. Yeah, color is kind of terrifying. But like once you have a grayscale
I
layer,
used to be terrified of coloring,
you
lol.
you can just use a color layer to color your grayscale drawings. And actually it actually doesn't look that bad, I feel like. Hold on, there is this one, I believe. Yeah, like this drawing,
Oh,
I
didn't think of that.
like originally I just drew it entirely in grayscale, but then I just use a colored layer to color it. Like if you change the blending mode from color to normal, it's just it's just like pretty bad. But like once you change it to like, hold on, where's the color? Yeah, once you change it to color, it just looks pretty good. So yeah, like
Oh,
yeah, thank
wow.
you. Like when you have done the grayscale, you're pretty much just already halfway there. You can just use a color layer to color your grayscale drawing. Yeah, you can do that.
Oh, I'll do that then.
Oh, 3D crafts. That's nice.
I have a lot of good 3D crafts.
Yeah, I like to watch 3D crafts, but I don't like to do it. I feel like like drawing, especially drawing digitally, is the best because it literally takes no raw material. You can just draw without anything. Whereas like real life stuff, you actually have to buy the raw material.
Oh, yeah, true.
I think here I would just erase the lines.
Yet if I didn't have access to my school then I would probably be broke lol.
Yeah, like I mean I guess the hardest part is actually buying all this stuff. But I've also seen people who just 3D print the parts. Yeah, true. I could do that. Maybe just change it to like something a bit lighter.
Or maybe if you changed the color of the line art. My eyes can't see it well.
Okay, I guess like this. Okay, and a little bit like this.
Yeah, that better.
Yeah, it does look a bit better. Okay. So yeah, here actually I guess less shadow. Okay, I think I would draw the shoes, the bags. And afterward, it's pretty much complete. Um, I think I'm not good enough to do them, honestly.
Should you do art critiques?
Like if I want to do like illustration corrections, I feel obliged to just draw something of my own to like actually correct the drawing and to give you a better version of it.
Like if asked for help on coloring?
Like a lot of people who do illustration corrections, like they actually just give back
Oh,
something that
yeah.
looks better. And that actually I'm not too confident. Yeah, like it is good content, but I'm not entirely confident that I will be
I've
able
seen
to
people do
do
that.
that. I guess it's because I'm also just learning at the moment. So like if I want to do illustration corrections, I want to make sure that I can actually produce something better. Like I'm actually at the level where I can correct other people's stuff. Okay, I think a little bit of red. And also this part actually feels kind of dirty. So I guess just increase the saturation a bit. Oh, but it's also too dark. Okay, and I guess I need more red. Mm.
Maybe it's sandy.
Yeah, a person. I think that has happened multiple times. But I never just rage quit. Like when that happens, I just switch to something else. Like I just delete the original figure. Like I just delete the original drawing and I draw something else. Because yeah, I guess sometime there are just things that I can't draw well, no matter what. Like it just happens. So I guess I just accept it and move on. Yeah, I think I detect these signs actually early enough. Like I think I usually
I
detect them
usually
during the
spend
sketch
2 minus
phase.
1 hour on something, and if it looks disappointing to me, I usually garbage it.
But yeah, there has been I've drawn a lot of stuff that are not great looking.
I finish most of what I draw. Speaking of,
Yeah, that's true. I've also seen that, like, people who start with the sketch already done.
before they stream asterisk,
Yeah, like actually that's also one thing I like about digital. It's that you can erase as many
and
times
if
as
I
you
hate it,
want.
I rip the page out.
Whereas like if you draw traditionally, you can only erase a certain amount of time before the page just kind of self-destructs. Like once you erase a certain amount of time, the marks just stay there. Like they just don't go away.
Well, I usually always sketch out an anatomical figure before drawing.
Okay, I will check the Discord. Oh damn, I see it. Nice.
A lot of my drawings have indents on the other side.
Oh, it's this one. Damn, it looks great. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, that's really cool.
Thank you, 3.
Yeah, thank you. I mean, I could turn it into an emote if you want to. I think I have space for more emotes on my server. All right, I will
I
do
have
that.
carpal tunnel now.
But damn, good job. That looked really good.
They call me the drawer.
Yeah, that looked really nice though. Like I like the flat colors. Yeah, like I'm also kind of
Yeah,
trying
I have
to.
no idea how to soft shade, lol.
Yeah, I guess for chibi style drawings like that, it's actually pretty. It's actually pretty good. Alright, see you. Rainy days.
I'll be back. I got a turn in a college assignment, weary face. Oh, looks nice.
Okay, I actually feel like this part looks too reflective. It doesn't look very. I guess it doesn't look like clothes. It just looks too reflective. Um, but maybe it's good. Maybe it's okay like this. I just need to color this part a bit more. Oh, it is.
I think it's based.
Yeah, Gura is great.
Here is my Oshi
I
and
love
my
her
Yunsha.
design. I think I actually have to maybe color the lines a little bit. Like this. And kind of like this, I guess. Okay. So now it's, yeah, I need to do the teeth, the shark teeth. Okay, yeah, I guess I also need to erase the lines here as well. But like if this is the case, then I don't actually see the point of having line art if I'm gonna erase the majority of it anyways. I guess I'm still trying to figure this part out. Like what's the point of having line art? Yeah, like coloring the lines makes the drawing look, I guess, a much softer. Oh yeah, Onigiri asking the right question. I completely missed it.
What is a Yunship?
What's a Yume ship? Okay, yeah. I guess what the swimsuit needs is highlight. I just need to apply more highlight to it. Okay, like this. And I feel like it's still just too dark here. So gotta reduce the size by a little bit of the dark part. Okay, time for the highlight. I guess it's the same procedure.
Jungship equals selfship.
Self-ship. Like you ship her with yourself. Yeah, for real.
Ye kashi mai oshi frfr.
Yeah, I approve this ship. I think for the swimsuit, because I guess for the tail, it's okay for it to be kind of bright and slimy, but I'm actually not too sure about the swimsuit. I think maybe not as bright. Yeah, gotta be a bit darker. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, I wonder what happened.
Interesting seeing her start streaming more often again.
But like, isn't streaming super easy? I don't know why they don't stream more often. Well, Geb confirms it, so that's official.
Jungship equals self-insertship.
But yeah, like I just wonder what's the logistics of
I already said that.
of a hollow live stream. Yeah, to be honest, I would also expect Geb to just know this. I did not expect her to Google.
Thought you'd know it without Googling. You'd be surprised, but I dunno any of these fanfiction terms, lol.
Oh yeah, also I don't know what mobile game people even play nowadays. Like I feel like now I just watch TikTok and YouTube shorts on my phone. So like yesterday I actually wanted to find a game to play. And like the only one that comes to mind is Clash Royale, but Clash Royale is like a pay to win game. And I also can't play Blue Archive. That's also an auto battler. And it's also very resource intensive. So one game I saw was called AFK Journey. And I remember seeing like ads on YouTube about it. Pokemon TCGP. That's a phone game. I guess like I'm just looking
I
for
play
stuff
Pokemon
to
TCGP,
that you can
lol.
play on the go, but also not too much at a time. Oh, Project Sekai. Yeah, I've heard about that game.
Project Sekai if you like rhythm games.
Yeah, but that's also a problem because when you're outside, like at least when I am outside, I don't I don't listen to music because I don't have the volume on. So like I actually can't play music games.
It
I guess
is a game you
it's
can
just
play
something
on the
that you
go.
play for
But
let's say 10 minutes on the public transport. Lol. I guess I do. I used to wear
you
headphones.
don't blast anime music on aux.
Like I used to just wear headphones. But then one day my ear just hurt. Just like one day when I had my headphone, my ear just started hurting like crazy. So like from that moment on, I just never used headphones again. Damn, I've actually never played a Pokemon game.
Pokemon TCGP it is then.
Yeah, I don't think having headphones is great on public transport. And I think the problem is just that public transport is super loud. So you have to put the volume at almost at max, and that's just very bad for your ears. I guess I prefer games where you just pay once and you just play forever. Contrary to like which music? Oh, you actually saw
Last at
the
music from the unlisted stream, face blue smiling.
you actually saw the unlisted stream. How did you do that? I guess maybe it appeared for like a few seconds. Oh, it's on the stream channel.
It's on the stream channel still, I chink.
It is. I mean, I don't see anything on it. Yeah, I probably deleted it. But yeah, I guess maybe earlier I actually had it on. But I'm wondering if YouTube actually is able to copyright strike my streams because of it. Because like when I first started posting videos on YouTube, I just used like copyrighted music. But like every single one of my video just got copyright claimed. I did not get a strike, but they just gave me like a kind of a claim that I am using copyrighted music, which actually isn't a huge deal because I am not making money from YouTube. So I think the problem is usually demonetization rather than like getting your video removed. Okay, I think the visible part is done. Tomorrow, I guess I will do the invisible parts, which is the tube and also the bag, because this bag is actually semi-transparent. So, so yeah, I guess that's it for today. Oh, hey, rainy days.
Hand purple blue piece.
Yeah, good job. I am going to end the stream now. Yeah, I'm ending it. So yeah, see you. Yeah, see you Onigiri Bite. See you rainy days. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Wait, you're leaving?